Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, nutrient-rich and wholesome salad recipe which is a meal in itself and you can enjoy it as a meal for lunch or for dinner. A secret ingredient makes this salad gut-friendly, plus it's an oil-free salad. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm finely chopping in one medium-sized cucumber. Next, I'm chopping in 1/4 of a capsicum. Finely chopping in one medium-sized tomato. Next, I'm grating in 2 carrots. The secret ingredient I'm using in this recipe is raw papaya, also known as green papaya. So this is a small piece of green papaya. I'll be peeling off the skin and removing the seeds, and then I'll grate the papaya. So I'll be using around 1 cup of grated green or raw papaya. Raw papaya contains more enzymes than ripe papaya. Raw papaya helps in digestion. The enzymes in raw papaya helps to break down food in the body, including carbohydrates, fats and protein. Green papaya hence helps to lose weight and boost digestive health. It's a good source of vitamin C, A, folate, fiber, magnesium, potassium and copper. The enzymes in raw papaya actually helps to break down the proteins in the gut and relieves gas, bloating, indigestion, acid reflux, heartburn and nausea. Raw papaya is a natural gut cleanser. So do try to include raw papaya in your diet for better gut health. I'm finally chopping in 1 green chili. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Chopping in a handful of coriander leaves. Finally chopping in a small piece of ginger. You can also grate the ginger if you prefer. Finally chopping in 3 cloves of garlic. Next I'm adding in boiled and cooled 100 grams of sweet potato. So what I've done is I scraped the skin with a knife and then I sliced it into small pieces like this and boiled it in a saucepan and drained it and allowed it to completely cool down. Sweet potatoes when cooled completely is a good source of resistant starch, which is much needed to maintain a good gut health. I'm chopping the 100 grams of sweet potato into the bowl. For some healthy gut-friendly probiotics, I'm adding in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. When you're using apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using the one with the mother. The mother is actually the healthy gut-friendly bacteria. Next, I'm squeezing in half a lemon. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 2 cups of boiled chana, also known as chickpeas. So what I've done is I soaked the chana overnight and pressure cooked until it is cooked. I also added a little salt when cooking the chana. Teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. 3/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. Half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. A handful of shallots. I like to use shallots in my recipes as they're a good source of iron and folate. They're also rich in antioxidants and also helps in good gut health. For an Indian flavor, I'm adding in half teaspoon chaat masala. This is entirely optional. I'm going to give the salad a good mix. At this moment, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. I'm going to keep this aside. To make the oil-free salad dressing, I have already soaked 10 to 15 or a handful of almonds overnight. So this is overnight soaked and peeled almonds. I'm adding the almonds into the chutney grinder, squeezing in half a lemon, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, and in 1/4 cup water, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, and I'm going to blend this really well. And once blended, it's creamy and thick. So my vegan oil-free mayonnaise is ready to serve. Transfer the salad into a serving bowl. You can see how thick and creamy the oil-free dressing is. It has a good amount of healthy fats, hence there is no need to add in any extra oil in this oil-free vegan mayonnaise. And now I'm going to drizzle it over the salad. And my oil-free, healthy, gut-friendly salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber-rich salad recipe, ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. First, I'm making a healthy salad dressing, and for that, into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 7 to 8 overnight soaked almonds which I have peeled. A small piece of ginger which I'm roughly slicing and adding in. 1 salted amla which I have roughly chopped. I have already shared how to make salted amlas at home. Link will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. If you have access to fresh amla, you can use 1 fresh amla instead of the salted amla. 1/4 of a raw mango which I have roughly chopped. If you don't have access to raw mango, you can use half to 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1 green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Add in 1/4 cup water. Squeezing in half a lemon. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Note that the salted amla has little extra salt, so add salt accordingly. Into this I'm adding in a handful of coriander leaves. Note that I'm also adding the stalk of the coriander leaves. I'm roughly slicing the coriander leaves into the chutney grinder. And I'm going to blend this really well. Once nicely blended, pour the salad dressing onto a small glass container, and my super healthy salad dressing is ready. This salad dressing will keep good in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. This is the consistency of the salad dressing. If you want to thin it out, you can adjust water when you are blending this. So add water to adjust your preferred consistency of the salad dressing. I'm heating my kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil, also known as til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 cup sprouted green moong dal. Give it a quick stir. Adding in half cup green beans, 2 carrots, 1 onion diced, and give this all a good mix. Add in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Add in a couple of splashes of water, stir well, cover and allow the vegetables to steam cook on high flame for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. At this stage, the vegetables are steam cooked. Add in half cup capsicum chopped. Give it a good stir. Reduce the flame and cover for about 20 to 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, open the lid. Give it a quick stir. Turn off the flame and transfer the vegetables onto a serving bowl. Drizzle in the salad dressing. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top, a fat pinch of black pepper powder, and my super healthy vegetable salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. Today I'm sharing a healthy salad recipe made without added oil. Super healthy, nutrient dense and oil-free salad to include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 1 medium-sized raw papaya, also known as green papaya. So first I'm going to peel the raw papaya. Raw papaya helps to cleanse your body and improves digestion. The enzymes present in raw papaya cleanses your stomach and helps to regulate bowel movements. The enzymes in raw papaya helps in breaking down fats, carbohydrates and protein, hence ideal to include in weight loss diet. It is rich in vitamin A, C, E and B. It is also a good source of magnesium and potassium. The digestive enzymes in green papaya helps to remove toxins from the body, helps to cleanse the intestinal tract and improve digestion. To my small stone grinder, I'm adding in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic which I have slit, 2 red chilies. You can also use green chilies instead. I'm just roughly breaking the chilies into two and adding in. And I'm lightly crushing the chilies and the garlic. Into this I'm adding in a handful of shallots. I'm also crushing the shallots. Adding in a couple of sprigs of coriander leaves, and I'm just tearing the leaves and adding in 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves, and I'm crushing them as well. I'm squeezing in 1 whole lemon. I'm grating in a small piece of ginger, pink Himalayan salt as needed. I also like to add in about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and now my salad dressing is ready. So I'm going to keep this aside. I'll be showing 2 methods to thinly slice the raw papaya. The first method is using a knife. So with my knife I'm just poking it like this, and then I'm thinly slicing with the knife. So you get very thin slices of raw papaya. I'm adding it into the bowl. So this way you can get thinly sliced raw papaya, and you can see how thinly the papaya has been sliced. So this is one method of thinly slicing raw papaya. The next method is using a peeler. So you just need to peel with the peeler and see how thinly the papaya has sliced. See how beautifully the raw papaya has sliced with the peeler. Into this I'm peeling in 1 medium-sized carrot. Adding carrot is entirely optional. Okay, now I have thinly sliced the carrots as well, and with my hand I'm just mixing the carrot and the raw papaya. For some natural sweetness I'm adding in 1 sliced apple. For added crunch and sweetness I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of pomegranate seeds, 1 de-seeded tomato thinly sliced. Next I'm adding in the prepared salad dressing. I'm finely slicing in some coriander leaves, a couple of sprigs of coriander leaves finely sliced, 1 sprig of fresh mint leaves which I'm tearing and adding in. Into the same stone grinder, I'm adding in half cup roasted peanuts. The peanuts are the natural healthy fats in the salads. You need a good source of healthy fat for better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. And I'm lightly crushing the peanuts. And now the peanuts are lightly crushed. Add the lightly crushed peanuts into the bowl and mix all this really well. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And once it is nicely mixed, you can transfer it to another bowl and serve and enjoy. Sprinkle a tablespoon of pomegranate seeds on top, some crushed roasted peanuts. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. And my super healthy green papaya salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy papaya salad and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.